in honor of Maddie's amazing duet with Shia LaBeouf. We are doing 3 duets. A duet relies on 2 people working together as one. Maddie, your duet partner is Kalani. The name of your duet is Walking Through the Storm. Now, remember the last time you did a duet? It was lovely. When you are number 1, there's nowhere to go but down. Now, you 2 are my best dancers. Sometimes people look at a gorgeous girl on stage and they get a little jealous. Better be beautiful. Walk through the storm. Kalani and Maddie, they're both beautiful dancers. However, everybody wants to see them fail.
Where'd you go, my friend? Did I lose you in the darkness? All those things that we said, you know.